welcome to another Facebook Live video with Mic&Mak. My name is Erica. It's Make It Monday, and that's when I share with you guys a craft tip, project, or idea that I think is easy, inexpensive, and something I think you might actually do. You know, I'm not here to judge. I'm just here to give you craft tips. I am surrounded by peppermints, which is what this week's project involves. Making peppermint plates and peppermint cupcake stands out of traditional peppermints, which seem to be like the quintessential candy for the holidays, right? I don't know if anybody actually eats them though. I feel like peppermints are kind of those things that you only eat like when somebody offers you one. Hey, would you like a peppermint? Or, you know, you're somewhere and they're in those little decorative bowls and you're walking by anyway, so you just kind of grab one and eat it. I did not know if I was going to have a video for you guys today. I tried this experiment over the weekend, and first time was a craft fail. So I had to go back to the drawing board, do a little research, and do it again. So I think I found a much easier way to do it that has things that most of you already have at home. We just need to get the peppermints if you don't already have them. What you will need is a cake pan or cake pans, depending on how many you're gonna make, aluminum foil, and obviously your peppermints. Is first you're actually going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, okay? And while your oven is heating up, you're going to take your piece of foil, and you want your piece big enough to completely cover your pan. Very carefully, just kind of fill in your pan. The foil is to protect your cake pan. If these candies melt onto your cake pan, it's going to take a Christmas miracle to get them out of your cake pan. Use the foil. You're going to take your peppermints, unwrap them, and you're actually going to just start lining the inside of your cake pan, filling in the shape. Keep doing that until your cake pan looks like this, filled in. Depending on how your oven is, you're going to put it in anywhere from 6 to 8 minutes. Definitely no longer than 8 minutes. You cannot go and check your Facebook status or Instagram because you're going to burn your peppermints. Keep an eye on it. When you notice that the peppermints are getting really shiny and glossy and you see that they're, you know, melting together, that's your cue to go ahead and take them out of the oven. Let them completely cool, okay? Because they're going to be very hot, so you want to be very careful. Let them completely cool. Now I'm going to show you just how beautiful this is. Look at this. Just comes completely out of the pan. You can make little cupcake stands. I actually made the stand with peppermint sticks. You'll need a glue gun. Okay, once you put the glue gun on these things, they're totally, you know, non-edible. I wouldn't recommend eating the peppermint plates anyways. You know, you're touching them, people are gonna be touching them because obviously they're gonna think they're so cute. Yeah, I just wouldn't recommend that. I took 4 peppermint sticks and I lined up 2 and hot glued them together. And then I lined up 2 more and hot glued them together. And then I actually hot glued them all together. They're much better when they're hot glued together. And you're going to be very generous with your hot glue because you really want it to stick. Another thing that I did, this is actually, if you can see the red bottom to this one, is actually a glass candlestick that I had. I spray painted red and then I hot glued it to the bottom of the cake stand. Easy peasy, really inexpensive. And if you're doing a holiday gathering, hosting a Christmas dinner, and you've got a dessert table, this is a really cute way to display your desserts. I hope you like this idea. If you do, please let me know in the comments. So thank you again. Have a great holiday. Again, I'm my own camera woman, so I gotta turn off my own video. Thanks guys, bye-bye.